I'm Alex, and this is how to make your own affirmations. Affirmations can be really useful for self-motivation and changing your mindset. They can be practiced every single day in front of the mirror for 5 minutes or 2 minutes, and they can lead to some really big long-term changes in your life. So firstly, you're going to choose a negative belief you have about yourself and then write an affirmation to counter that belief. For example, if you believe that you're not very intelligent, your affirmation could be, I am an intelligent person. The second point is begin your affirmations with the phrase, I am. Step 3 is always use the present tense. For example, you wouldn't say, I am going to be intelligent, or I am going to be successful. Say, I am a successful person, or I am creating success in my life. Step 4 is keep your affirmations short and specific. You don't want to be rambling on. You want it to be a really short and simple mantra that you can repeat to yourself and remember. Step 5 is try and include emotions and emotional words in your affirmations. For example, words such as happiness, gratitude, love, and respect are emotional words that can elicit an emotional reaction from you. And step 6, if you don't believe your affirmation, try and phrase it in a way that is slightly more believable to you. If you think that you're not very intelligent and you start looking in the mirror and telling yourself, I'm a genius, you might not believe that. So if you're having trouble believing your affirmations, try starting them with the phrase, I am open to so-and-so. For example, I am open to the fact that I am intelligent. In closing, affirmations can feel uncomfortable when you start saying them, but that's kind of the point. And over time, as you get used to the affirmations and you start to believe what you're saying, you will feel more comfortable and more confident in your affirmations. I hope you could take something away from this video, and thanks very much for watching.